we'd go to Karia on Sunday and load paper.
Yeah.
Double tarp it, so they put the rolls on this way. Yeah, on their ends, and then they tarp that.
Yeah.
Then they put them on their sides like that. And then you tarp that as well.
For God's sake.
And I mean, health and safety, we're walking around on top, you know.
They're good old days.
Rolling out tarps and everything, and yeah.
What was it that got you interested in trucks and got you started on this path?
The neighbour's father drove a truck.
Yeah.
Owned a truck for Te Puke Transport.
Te Puke Transport, right. That's...
Fellow that Ron Parker.
Right.
Had a Detroit 315 Mitzi.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So he was next door. He'd turn up occasionally.
Yeah.
And then the guy, then he had two sons.
Yeah.
Adrian and Daryl Parker.
Yeah.
They are still into trucks themselves.
Oh, wow. So the history continues.
Yeah, one of them drives for Taylor Brothers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they were neighbours. We were all mates. We tore around the street on our go-kart and played Lego trucks and did truck stuff. And there was another guy over the road. He was into trucks as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the guy up the corner drove for Mack 2 Contractors.
Yep.
Fellow Barry Lloyd.
Yeah.
And I ended up going for a ride with him.
Yeah.
In the truck when I was still at primary school.
Wow. So what were they running back then?
That was the R Series Mack.
Oh, yep.
That was that one there.
Yep.
Can find it in the Mack book.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
Yeah.
Geez, you must have thought you were a Christmas going for a ride in that.
Yeah, well, that was, yeah. But then, I ended up going with Dora and Sons as well.
Yeah.
Fellow Bill Porter was the first guy, and he had a 315 Mitzi.
Yep.
It was a truck and trailer unit.
Yep.
And he delivered my push bike for my... So for my 10th birthday, I got a Morrison Sidewinder 10-speed push bike.
Yeah.
Which is still hanging on the wall over there.
No way.
Yeah.
Cool.
And that arrived on the back.
Yep.
You can just see the handlebars sticking out
Oh,
behind
yep.
the curve.
I can see that. Yeah.
So that arrived when I was, I think I was 10.
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah.
It arrived on my 10th birthday on the back of a Dora and Sons Mitsubishi.
Wow. At
7:30 in the morning sort of thing.
Yeah,
before I went to school.
I bet you thought that was great.
Yeah. So we're into the trucks. Then, spent a lot of time with Barry Lloyd in this one.
Yep.
And then found, Mum worked with a lady called Nolene Johnstone. Her name was Nolene Johnstone.
Yep.
And that is Gordon Johnstone's wife. And Gordon Johnstone drove that Nissan up there for Dora and Sons.
Oh, right, yeah.
And then he brought that Mitzi up there and became an owner-driver with Dora and Sons.
Yeah.
And then he sold the Mitzi and brought that Foden.
Yep.
And
So you spent a lot of time in the left-hand seat of trucks.
Yeah, I went in all three of those. That photo was in Napier.
Yeah.
In the Nissan with the containers on.
Yeah.
The Mitzi photo is at the Tauranga Racecourse.
Yep.
When they had that truck show there in 1988.
Right.
I think it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 88 Tauranga truck show.
Yep.
And then the Foden, that was...
That'd be in the 90s, wouldn't it?
The Foden's an 88 Foden.
What's an 88?
And I seen that get painted in Hamilton somewhere. We shot over in one weekend and seen it getting painted in Dora and Sons colours.
Yep.
And that, so we did a few Ks up and down. We never went to the South Island, but we went Wellington to Whangarei.
Yeah.
And all sorts of places in between and all sorts of...
School holidays,